In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file attachment to a Slack channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to select the channel where you want to share your file. To do this, look at the left sidebar of your Slack workspace. You'll see the Channels section there, which is where all your team's channels are listed. Click on the specific channel where you want to share your file. This is important because sharing a file in the right place ensures that your teammates can easily find and access it. Now that you've picked your channel, it's time to upload your file. Look down to the message composition area at the bottom left of your screen. You'll see a small plus icon, usually sitting next to the message input box. Go ahead and click on that little plus icon. Next, a menu will pop up offering you a few options. One of them will be labeled Upload from your computer. Click on this option and it will prompt you to navigate through your files. Here, you can find and select the file you want to attach. Whether it's a document, an image, or something else entirely, just locate it and click on it to select. Once you've chosen the file, you have a couple of options to consider before sending it off. If you're ready to share it right away, you'll want to look for the Paper Airplane button in the bottom right corner of the message area. Clicking this sends your file immediately to the channel, making it available for everyone to see right at that moment. However, if you're thinking ahead and want to schedule the file to be sent later, Slack makes this super simple as well. To do this, you'll need to click on the small arrow next to the Send button. This opens up an option that says Schedule for Later. When you select this, a calendar will pop up where you can choose your desired date and time for the file to be shared. After setting your preferences, just remember to confirm it so that your file will be sent at the scheduled time. And that's really all there is to it. Sharing a file in Slack is a straightforward process, whether you choose to send it immediately or plan ahead for later. This feature is handy for keeping your team up to speed without overwhelming them with information all at once. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found this guide helpful. It really helps me out and ensures you won't miss any future tips and tricks for using Slack and other tools effectively.